Abeegi abitwashanga ishomero bemereirwe polisi nabagira ngo baruhire mukuru w'ishomero ahabo kubembereye barumunimbe munonga.
Tuine to yegi kandi abeski tuli bayingi. Eto yezona ziragwira obuzigamba kwiragura omuntu to yeganye no kustama.
We shall not keep quiet when government properties are being wasted for nothing. It is my responsibility to fight for government property. This is I, for God and my country.
Mukuru wa Abeegi Gideon Muhwezi nagira ngo Abeegi bamushikirire bamanyisa ko bacwire mu kwesharinga ahabo kuba nshonga zabo principal tarakwenda kuzivura.
Abo kuba sente basasura bayitu services tibakufuna ndi kandi bakajya hano kuna skills niko bagenda hero ko basuwe kula kwebeza.
Security busayo ahero no munda bubona busamo turara tukolesa obutoki boyita. Abandi tukolesa amasimu abandi osanga na masezi gatalo.
Abazairi bakusasura sente bakimanyire banu bana bakufuna services bakwega ogenda ahero mu factory bakugamba gendo kuatakira kioma gendo okole machine gendo okole wako tonya no kiomanyire tuina machine ziri mu workshop muli ezitatana diploma zitahana ile tukafuna chance government katuyamba kuzituletera tuzege tutukuzega.
Mukuru w'itendekero Akoki Anyamo enshonga zonna azegicherire government okolemwa kubaha sente bukirakare.
Our finances and income is small. Me as a person, I cannot put measures as an individual, but we have we have partners, the Board of Governors, the RDC's office, education offices of the district, and then security organs of the district. We can come together, sit and see a way forward. Me as a person, I cannot resolve and decide.
Nagira government ekachendeza sente eziyabire nebahereza nk'itendekero kuruga hari miliyoni 5.2 kwikara miliyoni 2.6 cyatuma bazo mu mabanje.
The way they are sleeping, that thing demands money. We tried to put things right last time. We were short of some funds, but I expected to have put that thing right if the funds were released in time for this first quarter for the third term. And therefore, when the money delayed and or it has been put into a different account, up to today, we have not received the money. It's unfortunate where the sleep is raining. But we transferred them to a fair room. They rejected that place has a shower behind. They cannot go where we were transferring them.
Anshonga yo kumuhindura Anyamo nagira ngutayanjire ngubitse no murumo gwa bakamabe tumurumo gwa Abeegi.
It is not the students who requested it for the transfer of the head teacher, but it could be a combination of factors, and I have not resisted any transfer in any case.
Okujezaho gamba na mukuru w'ebyobwegese kwa Fabusha ahabo kubatiya kwata masomo gaitu gasha kwa Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto.